Okay, let's use our iPhone and Siri to find a song for us. First, let's add to our control center. We've done this before. After we're in settings, we go to control center and select it. Right there. Once it's selected, you get to choose controls, and you can add the one we want is music recognition. Add that and then scroll down until you find it. Click the green plus icon to add it, and it'll add to your control center. Okay, now we're going to exit here, and we're going to ask Siri to find a song. Hey Siri, name that tune.
Hang on, let me listen. Sounds like you're listening to Michigan by Jan.
Yes, that's it. Oh, I love this song. It's great. Okay, so now she's find it. We can actually just click on that. It'll take us right to our music library, and we can do anything we want. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my favorite playlist there, and it's that simple. Now we can actually also do this manually. We go to the icon we just added, right? Shazam. Once it's on, it's going to listen again. Oop, I found it. Michigan again, Jan. Click that. Except this time it's actually going to take you to Shazam, which you should have installed. And then you can again choose what you want. I'm going to choose the music library, and bam, it takes us right back to the same place. And then we have the song. And that's it. It's that simple. So, hope you like it. Listen, share, subscribe.